Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna teach you the use of used to. What is used to? Used to is used in English grammar as a modal verb phrase. Means it is related to modals. You know modals can, could, may, might, shall, should, and same it is related with that modals. But now he told us used to in grammar as a modal verb phrase. Now let's have a look on definition. What is used to? It is used to describe an action or habit that was common in the past but not anymore. Means it is action or habit of anyone, of anybody, and now he is not doing that action and is not continuing his habit in future, or maybe it's not in present, but his habit or his action was in past time, and maybe it could be anything. Maybe he used to be used to do singing, he used to do walking or anything, but right now in present and in future he's not doing and he's not continuing his habit anymore, or that action. Now let's have a look on affirmative sentences. What is affirmative? Affirmative is a single statement. It's not negative, it's not questioning, and it's not related with WH family. It's just any statement. Let's have a look on for example, I used to be crazy about tea, but now I don't care for it. Listen, as I told you, it is used to describe an action or habit. Now what I used to be crazy, for what I used to be crazy? For tea. Tea is a habit. Okay, my habit was in past. I used to grab tea, and maybe I used to grab tea more than 3 times or in a day, and more than 4 times in a day. But now I'm not having tea anymore, and maybe I'm having coffee, or maybe I'm having milk, but I'm not having or grabbing tea anymore. Next example, we used to travel to the Shimla every year when I was a child. Travel, what is travel? Travel is action. When you do something by hand, I'm eating, I'm walking, I'm running. It's our action. It's not habit. And what is travel? Travel is when you go from one place to another place, and it's our action. So travel is action, and we used to travel to the Shimla. Now this too is describing direction. I have uploaded one video on two, which is fully based with two, and how we use to and where we should use to. We can't use two. There is two word. One is two and four. Sometimes we make a mistake where we have to use two, we use four there, and where we have to use four, we use two there. And but you should watch a video on YouTube. I have uploaded, and you can come to know where we have to use two. Okay, let's come to the point. To the Shimla every year when I was a child. I was a child. Was means it's the past, it's not a present. When I was a child, I used to the Shimla, to travel the Shimla every year. But now he's not traveling anymore to Shimla, and maybe he's not able to visit there, and maybe he's traveling to another place in the place of Shimla. Okay, next example is I used to be a painter. Now maybe he has got any job, and he has started doing another business, but in past time he used to be a painter. It's a describing state. Okay. Next is negative sentences. Negatives, let's pay attention on this case. You will see difference in this kind of sentences. Negatives, when we use no, or in the past indefinite case we use didn't. Okay. For example, he didn't used to play a video game, now he does. You will see difference. Used to, we are not going to use here used to. If you are going to use used to with didn't, it will be wrong. It's a grammatical mistake. When you use negative sentences, you have to use only used to, not used to. He didn't used to play a video game. Play is action, I have described earlier. A video game, now he does, and now he does. And maybe he started liking to play a video game right now, but he was maybe he could be unaware in past, and he used to he used to be unfamiliar by about video game, and now he started liking, and he started using. Next, he didn't used to like sandwich, but now I do. What is this? Same used to with didn't. And to like sandwich, now maybe I couldn't I never taste sandwich earlier, but it's just for example, suppose I didn't eat sandwich earlier, and one day I went with my friend to restaurant, and I ate a sandwich there, and from that time, since that time, I've started to eating sandwich, and now I wanted to have a sandwich more and more. So it was not my past habit, and now it has become my habit. Next is interrogative sentences. Did you used to prepare the dinner more often? So this is interrogative. I haven't make here interrogative sign. Okay. Did you used to prepare the dinner more often? What is this? Did, same did. Whether did is in the didn't case, in the case of negative, or whether did is in the case of interrogative, you have to use used to, not used to. Used to will be in affirmative sentences. Next is, why did you used to smoke a lot? Why did you used to smoke a lot? Suppose this is my friend, and he was and he used to smoking. He used to smoke a lot in past time, but now he has reformed herself or himself, and he has left his habit, and now he has changed himself. And but in past he used to smoke a lot, and many people used to many people didn't like him, but now everyone started like him. Or this is all examples which describes the example, and which describe the definition of used to. And I hope you get all this explanation, and what is used to, and how we use in affirmative sentences, interrogative, negative sentences. Thank you for watching this video.